and overwhelmed by the financial struggles that you're experiencing? Does your retirement look sick, unhealthy, no sign of improvement? Well, empower yourself today. If you're over 50, tell me, are you feeling stuck with limited income and no clear path to financial success and freedom and a healthy retirement? Well, what if I told you that my business has a step-by-step guide showing you how to build a profitable online business from scratch? No experience necessary. How to earn 100% profit retention. Every dollar you earn stays with you. Learn the automation system so work smarter by automating your business and dedicating just 2 hours a day. No tech skills needed. It's all done for you. User-friendly platforms make it easy for anyone to start this. It has multiple income streams attached to it, giving you diversity to ensure financial stability. And really, when you think about that, then it is time to take control of your financial destiny. If you're ready to take control of your financial destiny and your retirement, comment freedom below. I will send you your very own blueprint and a free PDF on how to earn 10K in 30 days. You'll then have access to join our safe and private community to further your financial independence. So comment below, comment freedom, and I'll be sure to send you the information.